and the steamer comes out to play. I've officially reached cleaning frenzy state. Any fellow Sims girlies, you know when you give them the neat tray and then they go on a cleaning frenzy? That's me. I'm absolutely on one. Listen, steam's great and all, but sometimes you do just need a little chemical. A bit of power foam gets the job done. Look at that. That is a stunning plug hole. Thanks to everyone who gave me advice before on what to do about the chip in my sink. Obviously, I haven't acted on it, but it's in my noggin. If I'm ever really hard up for things to do, I'll actually do something about it. For now, I've got enough fish to fry. Did you see the state of that? Also, the sink is not draining great, so I bought this sink plug drain. Sorry, malfunction, but whatever that was is now working. Is anyone else getting bored? Zoom, bitches, cranking up the speed to the finish line. Throne number 3, scrub within an inch of its life. Hear me out, okay? I'm dry dusting with this kind of dirty mop head, and then